Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Kajal Pandit, signing in on Dr. What. So today's topic is how do you survive in a medical college's toxicity? First of all, there are like many aspects in medical college. Like um पहला तो इट्स फ्रेंड्स ओके पहला हार्ट ब्रेक जो तुम्हारा होगा मेडिकल कॉलेज में वो होगा फ्रेंड्स से फॉर श्योर लाइक फॉर श्योर एंड देन सेकंड होगा तुम्हारा एकेडमिक डाउनफॉल लाइक बिकॉज you forget to study like most of the cases मेरे साथ ऐसा ही होता था कि ओ शिट मैं तो भूल गई पढ़ना तो वो तो होना ही है बट देन हो सकता है कि like gender biasness I don't know I feel it like मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि what opportunities a man gets a woman doesn't get at least in my case and because of these three things I was literally I did not have like the best first year that I was expecting. Like, you'll have friends, you'll sit in canteen and everything. I did not think I thought it would be like that, but it did not happen as per I planned. And like first thing, how to go cope up with your friends. You can never. I don't think so. It's just like you have to get lucky and find those like amazing friends and all. But most of the people I see around do not have like very nice friends. उनके पास भी बहुत अच्छे friends नहीं होते हैं. वो लोग भी एकदम कहीं ना कहीं होते अकेले ही होते हैं. And रही बात आई गेस मेडिकल कॉलेज सर्वाइव करने के लिए तुम्हें सिर्फ है ना एक या दो लोगों की ज़रूरत होती है लाइक एक फ्रेंड जो लाइक रेगुलर कॉलेज जाता है और उसको सब कॉलेज का पता है और दूसरा फ्रेंड लाइक विथ whom you can at least share your thoughts and your process what is happening with you because it's a lots of stress like medical college is lots of stress so at least you can share with them and that's it like you cannot expect not everyone is your friend okay मेडिकल कॉलेज में हर कोई तुम्हारा दोस्त हो ये तो सही नहीं है हाँ हाय हेलो कर सकते तुम लोग बैचमेट्स हो लाइक यू कैन stay till there but not everyone is your friend you have to get that straight in your mind from day one or else you are cooked then second thing है कि like syllabus academic pressure या academic downfall उसके लिए तो like तुम लोग को भी पता है you have to like study every day there's like literally no option you cannot like miss any day and if you miss then you fall back and then the story repeats you have to like study harder for next day right and BMS में तो ऐसा होता है कि like every like 1.5 months के बाद you have a PA test like it's of 15 marks so I I did not study for PA marks and later now जब second year end होने आया है now I realize how important it was for me to study it but it's okay what's gone is what's gone so the only solution you can do is like keep studying even though if you don't understand the subject keep doing it keep studying it keep reading about it and the third is gender biasness I can literally talk like pura din iske upar because it is my favorite topic I have seen like other people who are not deserving getting chance of things I deserve. Like being a female. I don't know why. Like many teaching staff or non-teaching staff might do that with you. Like they would give extra marks to some guy because he is something like close या ऐसा सब कुछ उन लोग को basically चाटना होता है and like being I don't know मैं नहीं कर सकती ये सब कुछ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I'll earn the hard earned marks rather than like किसी के आगे पीछे करके I cannot do that so ये तो होना ही है like हर जगह होता है फेवरेटिज्म तो हर जगह होता है हाँ कोई टीचर्स मेरे साथ भी शायद फेवरेटिज्म कर सकते हैं या मुझे टारगेट भी कर सकते हैं like I सेकेंड ईयर के तो एक टीचर ने लिटरली ही जस्ट केम सो क्लोज टू मी एंड ही वाज लाइक मैं तुझे मारूंगा एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो दीज थिंग्स हैपन बट देन यू शुड नो कि कौन से टाइम पे तुमको उठ के खुद के लिए स्टैंड लेना है बिकॉज नो वन इज कमिंग टू हेल्प यू नो वन इज कमिंग आई हैव सीन इट नो वन इज गोइंग टू टेक योर स्टैंड बिकॉज ये अब घर नहीं है यहाँ पर ना दोस्ती है, कोई भी टीचर्स के सामने तुम्हारा स्टैंड नहीं लेगा। तुम्हें खुद के लिए स्टैंड लेना है, तुम्हें खुद के लिए बोलना है। और तुम्हें लग रहा है कि वो टीचर जरा ज्यादा ही कर रहा है, देन यू हैव टू स्पीक। एटलीस्ट गो टू योर हायर अथॉरिटी, डीन, प्रिंसिपल, और whoever you think you are comfortable to talk, you can do it. And especially for girls, like, I get it. Like, many teachers are so biased to, like, male students. I don't know why. Okay, I understand they are male, whatever, for whatever reason, but we are also, like, working, we are also studying, we are like making a day and night ache and studying and writing our papers. You are not giving us the equal marks what we deserve. But it's okay, and at the end of the day, uni mein hi sab kuch dikhta hai, so it's cool. Like, I do not mind. So that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and like my video, and press the bell icon and turn on your notifications, so that next time when I post any video, you can easily tap on it and see my video. And कोई भी टॉपिक पे अगर तुम लोग को वीडियो चाहिए, you can, like, so see you in the next long YouTube video.